Let's use an illustration of the Aruka process that we're all familiar with. Think about your car. To keep it running smoothly, you take it in for tune-ups, you change the oil, you balance the tires, and realign the front end, restoring what's been lost over time. As a former NFL coach, I noticed that athletes, although much more complex than a machine, need the same kind of care. After a tough season, they need a tune-up to restore what's diminished so they can keep performing at their best. But here's the truth. Even if you're not a professional athlete, this process can benefit you too. The question I hear most often from those I work with, whether they're athletes, coaches, or fitness enthusiasts, is simple. How can I get the biggest bang for my buck with the time and resources I have? At Aruka, we've developed a solution by applying military strategist John Boyd's OODA loop, observe, orient, decide, and act, to athletic performance. This process helps you make effective decisions about where you are, where you need to go, and what it will take to achieve your goals. The first step is to observe. We start by evaluating your movement patterns to uncover what we call movement dysfunction, patterns that hinder performance and can lead to pain and injury. Movement dysfunction often happens for two reasons. Either you weren't taught the right mechanics, or like athletes, you've developed compensatory patterns due to pain or injury. At Aruka, we offer straightforward video evaluations. You record your movements, upload them to our system, and one of our certified coaches reviews and grades the area of concern. We then meet with you via teleconference to discuss and pinpoint the issues. Next, we orient ourselves based on the results. Once the problem areas are identified, we move to address them through motion therapy. Motion therapy is Aruka's custom solution for correcting dysfunctions. It includes targeted exercises, therapeutic interventions, and mobilization techniques. You can use it on its own or add it to your existing routine, ensuring you're back to moving pain-free. Now we decide. Based on your needs and desires, we determine the most suitable actions, like implementing our Wired program, which takes your performance to the next level. Wired is designed to enhance both physical and cognitive skills, what we call athletic neurogenics. We integrate over 20 essential athletic skills with sports performance drills and exercises to boost mental sharpness, helping you develop peak performance. Finally, we act, putting our plan into motion. Whether your goal is recovery, improved athletic performance, or getting the most out of your fitness routine, our Aruka Blueprints, MyPlans, and video assessments are here to help. Explore more at arukaperformance.com and let us guide you on your journey to optimal movement, fitness, and health.